This is a demonstration for some of the new features that are in Mach 4 Industrial Lathe. First, I am going to open our new Turn Cycle Wizard. This feature has been added into Mach 4 Industrial. We have had it in the hobby versions in the past. This feature will aid in designing and creating G-code on the spot. Once you have completed everything in the Turn Cycle Wizard, just hit Save and Post. Your G-code file will appear in Mach 4. Another new feature is our G-code Edit tab. You can use this tab to edit your G-code files. Once you are done editing, just click on a different tab and it will automatically save and update for you. You will see that our jogging table now contains fixture and tool table access. By adding a number, you can offset how far from your part you would like to run for a safe test. With the tool table button, you will be able to save all of your tool offsets for every tool that you have. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. Thank you.